What's up, foodies? It's the new year. It's 2021. Let's get a fresh start and try, making some healthier meals. I personally have eaten a lot of food over the last couple of weeks during Christmas, and I'm going to start on, getting back on track. And that brings me to one of my favorite recipes. It's one of the recipes from my cookbook. It's a Vitamix protein ice cream. It's actually Vitamix Oreo protein ice cream. Awesome. It's one of my favorite recipes. I ate a lot of it all last summer when I was trying to keep in health, keeping my weight down. It is in my cookbook. If you want to grab the cookbook, you can get it in the link below. I again put a 50% discount on for the first 500 people. And by the way, you can make this with a Ninja blender. Some people love the Ninja blender, Mr. Greg Doucette, who also says you can't make it with a Vitamix. He says it'll come up same. Well, I'm going to show him different today. I'm going to put this over my head when it's done to show you how thick it is. So let's get into it. Alright foodies, first we're going to start by adding 200 grams of your choice of milk, either almond, real milk, soya milk, cashew milk, doesn't matter, whatever milk you want to add. Then we're going to add 10 grams of PB2 or dehydrated peanut butter. Go ahead and add in 2 grams of your sweetener of choice. I'm using Stevia. Go ahead and add in 2 grams of Xanthan Gum. This is going to help bind the ice cream. Let's add in 30 grams of cookies and cream whey protein powder, or you can use a vegan-based substitute. And to this, we are going to add 150 grams of ice and 150 grams of strawberries. I'm choosing strawberries because they're lower in calorie and it puts a nice little flavor to the Oreo ice cream we're making. Now we're going to put our top on and use our tamper, and we're going to blend this on high until it becomes a thick, velvety, smooth Oreo ice cream. Yes, I realize there is no Oreos in this yet, but just wait. There we go, that's done, nice and thick. Alright guys, just like that, super easy to make. Not quite finished, give it a little, Wow, that's good. Oh, that's some good ice cream. Alright, so we're not finished. First, I'm gonna put this over my head before I put my Oreos in, because I don't like mixing my Oreos in. I like them sitting on top. But to prove, you can put this over your head and not have it come down on you. See, look at that. Can you even shake it? Greg? Yeah. Yeah. Super thick, super delicious. Now, let's take our Oreos. I have 4 Oreo thins, and just take those, crush them on top. Don't get them on the floor. Give it a little mix on the top, and then a big mouthful of that. Oh. It's like 350 calories for all this ice cream. If you're having trouble, staying on diet, like I'm not a fitness professional, so this is just what I've done. If I have troubles, sticking on course, I make a big batch of this stuff up, and it really helps. I know I was picking on Greg Doucette saying you can't make it in Vitamix. I proved him wrong. I'm sure he knows you can, but the guy's great. He helps keep me motivated while I was watching some of his videos. You can check him out. I put a link in the description below. And until next time, foodie out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, or as others would say, smash the like button. If you want more exclusive content like behind the scenes, recipes, and much more, check out my Patreon. The link is in the description box below.